fucking ready.
Phew. Welcome to Tattoo Shop Talk in this new normal format. So we will chat with Mr. Carlos. We'll do the online call situation. It's super weird. I feel like I'm shouting all the time.
Hey man, it's the best we can do, and you can also see my crib from one angle.
Cool. The best corner. Yeah, so this will be like a little update episode first on what we are planning to talk about and what have happened and what will happen. So I guess we'll start with things when they will lock down and open back again. So we'll have a little episode about all this crazy times and how it is to work during those times. We'll talk a little bit about tattoo convention that we had, and that was the short window where we managed to have it, and it was like after that restrictions were higher again, so I don't think that will happen anytime soon. On my last episode was about the review of the screen cover for the iPads, and there was a giveaway, so people should have dropped their Instagrams and follow the brand. Today we'll choose who won this, so stick to the end of this little episode for that. From my department, I'm planning to make also episode about, I got in touch with some app that is for looking for guest spots, so that will be something different. I mean, that's not the way I know people look for guest spots, but I guess there will be. And then we can also talk about just how it feels and how to, like, not even plan, but what's in the way to work in different countries these times. From my side, I'll review a couple of armrests. I have this giant beast back here. So that's from some...
I'm always looking at it. It's really... I want to try out. It looks comfortable.
It's actually pretty cheap compared to what's out there. It's from this Ukrainian or Belarusian company, GG Workshop. I bought two of the big ones, and I can say that it even feels too big. There's an option for the same price, have one big one and one a bit shorter. That's kind of thing. And also I'm in contact with people who make some funky stencil stuff that looks and smells like honey. That's a thing.
Hope you can smoke it.
Yeah, put it on a joint or something. And what I have notes. I wrote some notes, so.
Beautiful.
What I really want to mention is one of your dear colleagues and our dear friend and friend of channel had a addition to his family, so congratulations to that guy.
Yeah, boy. One more extra legend in this world.
And I also want to mention our friend Carlos Zucato. He's now more available in Europe. There's a link in the description to his Instagram. Check where he's at, and he's in Europe now, and he will be for some time. So that's one thing I wanted to mention. And now we'll choose the winner of the giveaway. The giveaway is by the company, so if something goes wrong, don't blame on me. It's their stuff. And the giveaway will happen very simple way, because channel is not gigantic and there's not so many participants. It's easy at this moment when we're recording. There's been 5 people who sign up. So Carlos have to choose number from 1 to 5, and then we'll see who that is. What's your number, man?
If there would be 6, I would pick that, but I will pick 3.
Cool, excellent choice. So there will be a note on the screen, and then hopefully company will get in touch with you soon. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Woo! Paper Feel Screen Protector owner. Welcome.